Good morning, everyone. After 2 days of rest and repair in Pamplona, we restart our Camino on the road to Estella. An old Roman bridge, wow. That's it. That's it. Excellent, you?
Nice, good.
That's it.
How are you feeling?
Good. This is Latvia, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. No.
From Canada.
Yeah. No Bob Dylan today. What do you got today?
Washington Kelly.
Oh.
Not the one who robbed the banks.
You say you stamp?
Yeah,
Oh.
nice one.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you know in United States a big restaurant company called the Olive Garden?
that? Yeah.
Yeah.
I was discovered
Yeah.
after the,
After
but this is Olive Garden.
Garden, yeah. Yes.
We were here in 2017 when you were
Okay,
putting this all
on my
together.
first year here.
Is that
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You
Okay.
remember the place?
Yeah.
Did
Yeah.
you see the tents?
Beautiful. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. This was not here, right?
No, no.
And the last year it wasn't very few pilgrim,
Yeah.
and I finished a lot of little projects of the back part.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And I made a video, and people seeing, they said, we did not see you make a donation. You just take the food. So this time I had to make sure I film it.
You are filming now?
Yes.
on
Okay.
YouTube.
Yes,
And
you.
you film all the way without cuts? Or?
Oh, with cuts. With cuts. 676 kilometers to go. 676 kilometers to go. If I walk another kilometer today, how many kilometers to Santiago? Anyway, this here is actual Roman road you're walking on again. Not as nice as that one coming out of town.
I am Robert from Ireland. Pleased to meet you all.
That's good.
Have a good day, everybody.
You too. Oh man. They just went down, they followed the steps. And this sign, it says, okay, Lorca, 2 point. And, okay, so we got something at 2, something at 7, and then we're home after that. That's it.
Are you okay?
Oh, so far so good. You?
Good, good.
Yeah.
Don't fall back.
Yeah, with the backpacks. Woo, yeah.
You're from there?
Canada.
Canada?
Yeah.
Where are
You?
from?
From the Netherlands.
Oh,
Netherlands. All right. Excellent.
First time on the Camino?
The first time.
Yeah? How are you guys doing?
I'm Okay.
Killer, isn't
She's a little bit tired.
Oh,
No, just always falling.
oh, ouch.
Her scratches over.
Oh, it's easy in this stuff. Yeah. How'd you figure out the good road? Where we first got on. That's it. Well, all roads lead back to the Camino. So it looks like you got the easy road. We went up and we went down. Hi. Yeah, yeah. That's it. Buen Camino. We can't even see where we came from. The town we came from, I guess, is behind that mountain. Stopped for a bite for lunch. Made up these sandwiches we got at the supermarket yesterday. No, we made the sandwiches. We bought the ingredients at the supermarket. Put them together in our hotel room. Sweetheart did.
it? Got the whole thing plus a whole bunch more for 11 euros.
Compared to a reasonably priced dinner is 42 euros. Long, narrow road by everything to get into Estella, remember? We thought it was kind of a never-ending road the last time. Then you ended up with the albergue on your right side. And then ultimately we ended up with the big church where they picked us up.